The Outer Space Treaty regulates international space law. It says that outer space is free to explore for all nations and that no one can claim it. It also prohibits the deployment of nuclear weapons in outer space. The term outer space was first used in Lady Emmeline Stuart Wortley's 1840 epic poem The Virgin of Moscow. The term cosmos was used as early as 1697 in Milton's Paradise Lost to describe an area beyond the Earth's sky. The temperature of the cosmic microwave background radiation that permeates the entire universe is 7C minus 270, 45C minus 454, 81F. The brightest and most massive known star is R136A1 in the Large Magellanic Cloud. It is 7 billion times brighter than the Sun. 33. The oldest known star is the red giant He1523-0901. It's 2 billion years old, and it's almost as old as the universe itself. It takes light photons 8 minutes and 22 seconds to reach the Earth. The core of a neutron star is so dense that one spoonful of matter from it will weigh 100 billion kilograms. 36. Only about 6 stars are visible to the naked eye from Earth, and only 2,000 can be seen from anywhere. With binoculars, the number of stars that can be seen from one place is about 50,000. 37. Space is so dark because we can only see light when it hits an object and reflects off it. 38. Without gravity, food does not settle on the taste buds, as we are used to on Earth. In addition, liquids tend to rise and collect in the sinuses, causing astronauts to feel stuffy, which leads to a decrease in taste sensations. 39. After Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin returned to Earth from the Moon, they were quarantined for 21 days until it was determined that they had not brought the space plague. It was later determined that the Moon was devoid of life. 40. From 1969 to 1972, 6 successful missions were conducted to land people on the Moon after returning to Earth. Many astronauts find it difficult to adjust to gravity, and they often forget that things fall if you throw them. 42. Astronauts in space will lose about 1% of their muscle mass every month if they don't exercise for at least 2 hours a day. 43. The first human ashes to leave the solar system will be Clyde Tombaugh, the man who discovered Pluto. His ashes are on board the New Horizons spacecraft. 44. It is believed that there are black holes in the center of galaxies that are about 10 to 18 billion times heavier than the Sun. 45. Our universe consists of about 23% dark matter, 4% ordinary matter, and 73% dark energy. 46. The English admiral and explorer of the 16th century, Sir Francis Drake, proposed the Drake equation, according to which millions of civilizations can exist in our universe. The first man in space was Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin, who flew around the Earth in Vostok-1 in 1961. The following year, American astronaut John Glenn Jr. became the first American to orbit the Earth. American Neil Armstrong was the first man to set foot on the Moon in 1969. 48. At a distance of about 20 light-years from Earth is the star BPM 37093, aka Lucy, after the Beatles' song Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds. This white dwarf is actually one huge diamond that weighs 10 billion trillion carats and is the size of our Moon. 49. The largest star in our known universe is located in the constellation Cygnus. It is a hypergent that is almost 1 million times larger than the Sun. 50. More than 100 artificial Earth satellites are launched into space every year. 51. Scientists have estimated that there may be up to 20 trillion galaxies in our universe. 52. In 1992, more than 350 years after the discovery of Galileo, the Catholic Church finally published